Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib, and MBS Highway is created exclusively for NMP TV and brought to you by our good friends at PRMG who are working for your best interest. Tough week last week for mortgage-backed securities. And some days we were seeing big drops, including a 70 basis point drop. Haven't seen one of those in a while in mortgage-backed security pricing. So what was the cause of this? Well, it's the Fed. After their meeting, we had Chairman Jerome Powell come up and say that, hey, in his eyes, we've met all the criteria for a tapering. So here's what it looks like. It looks like at the November 3rd meeting for the Fed, they'll probably lay out a plan, probably to reduce purchases by about $15 billion a month, $10 billion of treasuries, $5 billion of mortgage-backed securities. And that means they will get through their taper by summertime. But remember, they're still buying all that reinvestment. The market didn't really understand that, didn't really analyze it through their taper tantrum. And that's what you're seeing. We're getting a little bit of stability here, but we do have to be on guard because there is some inflation fears out there as well. So rates could move up a little bit. But here's the silver lining, is that a report from CoreLogic said that, well, guess what? All this negative talk about appreciation, it's not all bad, you know. How about the 67% of people who do own a home? They're benefiting by this appreciation to the tune of, get this, equity buildup of 30% on a year-over-year basis. Yeah, between appreciation, amortization, 30% more equity in homes than you had just a year ago. Pretty much anyone who has a situation with MI may be considering, or maybe a candidate for you to consider, refinancing them and saving them that MI money, since interest rates are about the same. And look, and even if interest rates to some people are higher than the rate that they currently have, use debt consolidation. Now at MBS Highway, we created the greatest debt consolidation tool in the world, which considers appreciation, amortization, everything, lays it all out for you. It's interactive with your customer, and it's something that people are benefiting from greatly, not just because they're doing a ton more loans. It's the easiest way to do that and make more money, but the real benefit is positively changing the lives of your customers and putting them in a situation where not only will you free up so much money, you'd be shocked to see it, but what this will also do is help them take the same payment they're making now, reduce the term dramatically, wind up giving them their retirement taken care of and their kids' college taken care of with the same exact monthly payment, or even a lower monthly payment than they're paying now. This is the gift of home equity that you need to be focused on and take advantage. Why battle everybody else? This is what you need to be doing, especially in a marketplace where, according to what we're seeing in inflation numbers, that might rise a little bit. We think they're going to rise over the next few months because inflation, when you compare the numbers that we're going to be getting to the very low numbers from about a year ago, we should start to see inflation rise. The bond market may not like that. Now, I don't think rates are going to get out of control crazy, but we could be in a period where rates will be a little bit higher. So why deal with a slowdown? Why deal with doing less refinances? You could actually do a ton more refinances. Use the gift of home equity because people have gotten that through appreciation. Team, this is something you should be doing. Get on board with MBS Highway. We'll talk to you next week. Next week will also be an interesting week. We did get some housing news last week, and all the housing data showing that this market really not showing signs of a slowdown. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.